Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to change layout size. So we have this example plans and you can go to layout. We have the default layout and if you want to change for the layout size, you can go to file, click print and then click drawing sheet setup. I will be show for the drawing sheet setup. To change for size, you can click in here as default will be set into tabloid. And I will change to ISO A4 paper size. Click OK. Now the layout will be changed for size. And to edit for the tables, you can change into the page 0. And you can select all objects. Click at these icons to rescale the objects. And then move to the bottom. Select one object here, table, and then click in the red icons, move to the top. Okay, we'll click again at this table and move to the top here. So you can insert your projects like first floor. Click OK. And you can move a bit. And we try to see in the print preview. Click file, go to prints, and then click print. Click the current sheet 0, and this is for the print preview. Okay, that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial how to change layout size. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.